Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So let's carry on and design next a set of purlins, a process which, as you may assume, is quite similar to the several steps we just performed for obtaining this other set of beams. Here we have then this first element, and from which, as you may assume, we can begin obtaining the remaining purlins. Moreover, and as we did in the previous lesson, let's continue by adding the corresponding set of connections that should be placed across this element. So we can then copy both this element and its connections over the length of the top chords of the structure. Here we have the first group of purlins that we need, and which, worth noting, feature also all their corresponding connections. And with this, we have completed the design and placement of purlins in our structure. Now, before we continue with the development of this model, another thing we could do right away, and thanks to one of our customized templates, is to quickly obtain the detailed drawings of both the purlins and their corresponding connections. In this case, for example, let's place both elements in the same drawing. Let's just wait a moment for Advanced Steel to finish generating these structural drawings for us. Meaning that, based on our already configured template, Advanced Steel will automatically generate the corresponding detailed drawings, adding dimensions and labels accordingly. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the results. As we can see, and again thanks to our customized template, Advanced Steel has generated the detailed drawings of these elements very quickly. Now, let's return to our model and continue by adding a set of structural bracings.